When it comes to construction projects in Lajpat Nagar, it is crucial to enlist the services of a professional building surveyor. A building surveyor plays a critical role in ensuring that construction projects comply with relevant regulations and standards. They are responsible for evaluating the condition of existing buildings, conducting inspections, and providing expert advice on design and construction matters. In Lajpat Nagar, there is a growing demand for building surveyors due to the increase in urban development and renovation projects. Hiring a building surveyor in Lajpat Nagar is essential to ensure that your construction project is safe, efficient, and compliant with local regulations. One of the reputable building surveyors in Lajpat Nagar is Scon Design Delhi. Scon Design is known for its expertise in providing comprehensive building surveying services to clients in Lajpat Nagar and the surrounding areas. With a team of highly qualified professionals, Scon Design Delhi offers a wide range of services including building condition surveys, structural inspections, and compliance assessments. They have extensive experience working on various types of projects, from residential buildings to commercial establishments. By hiring Scon Design Delhi as your building surveyor in Lajpat Nagar, you can benefit from their in-depth knowledge of local building regulations and codes. They will ensure that your construction project meets all the necessary requirements, minimizing the risk of non-compliance issues and costly delays. Scon Design Delhi will also conduct thorough inspections to identify any potential structural or safety concerns, allowing you to address them before they become major problems. Scon Design Delhi is committed to providing exceptional service to their clients in Lajpat Nagar. They understand the importance of clear communication and collaboration throughout the entire construction process. Their team will work closely with you to understand your specific requirements and goals, ensuring that their services are tailored to meet your needs. Scon Design Delhi also places a strong emphasis on delivering projects on time and within budget, ensuring that you receive value for your investment. In conclusion, when undertaking a construction project in Lajpat Nagar, it is crucial to engage the services of a professional building surveyor. Scon Design Delhi is a reputable firm that offers comprehensive building surveying services in Lajpat Nagar and the surrounding areas. With their expertise and commitment to excellence, they will ensure that your project meets all regulatory requirements and is executed efficiently. Whether you are planning a residential or commercial project in Lajpat Nagar, hiring Scon Design Delhi as your building surveyor is a wise decision that will help you achieve success in your construction endeavors. A building surveyor in Lajpat Nagar plays a vital role in ensuring that the construction or renovation process complies with relevant regulations and standards. They are responsible for conducting thorough surveys and inspections to assess the structural integrity, safety, and compliance of the building project.